Hello and welcome to this particular tutorial. In this discussion, we are going to look at a past question on set. This is the first of its kind on our NTC GTLE Numeracy past question series. Before we continue, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now, we are going to look at question 3A. This was a 2019 NTC past question. Alright, so focus and let's proceed to the question. Now, 60 students responded to the question, which of the two sports, football and basketball, do you play on a regular basis? The Venn diagram below shows the results. Okay, now these questions were asked. I. How many of the students do not play basketball? I. What is the total number of students who play only one game? Now let's move to the solution. Now, answering the question, how many of the students do not play basketball? Okay, now let's understand the question or the diagram on the screen. Now you get to realize that we have intersecting circles within a rectangle. The rectangle represents the total number of students involved. The two circles represent the categories of students involved, especially in the two games mentioned. So this first circle here represents those that play football, and this second circle here represents those that play basketball. The intersection you see here represents those that play both football and basketball. And the 20 you see here represents only those that play football. Alright, those that play only football. And the 15 here represents those that play only basketball. Okay? So, what of the 17 out here? The 17 here represents those that play neither of the two games. As you can see, it is outside the two circles. Okay? Now, they are asking the question, how many of the students do not play basketball? So that means that the circle for basketball is not included. Now, what are the numbers left when the circle for basketball is not included? You get to realize that it is only 20 and of course the 17 that is outside that are left. So in other words, those that do not play basketball are those that play only football and those that do not play any of the two games. Alright? So that simply implies that the category involves what? Those that play only football and those who play neither. Okay? So let's proceed further. Now, how do we solve that? Thus, the number of students who do not play basketball is simply equal to 20 plus 17. And that gives you 37. Okay, so in other words, 37 students do not play basketball. Okay, let's proceed further. Now let's look at the second part. They're saying that what is the total number of students who play only one game? Okay, so before we look at that, the total number of students who play only one game would simply be those that play only football and those that play only basketball. So that means that the rest of the other parts of the diagram should be covered, leaving only those that play only football and those that play only basketball. So thus, the answer is simply going to be the total number of students of those who play only one game is simply going to be equal to 20 plus 15. That gives us 35. Okay, I hope this video was quite helpful. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Before we proceed, of course, take note of our next video presentation. It is going to be on the number 3B, which is going to involve the pie chart. And hopefully, we will meet again, God willing. Best of luck in the coming examinations. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.